Hey guys, and welcome to Math Know. Today I want to find the value of this expression. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we must solve this math expression in this way. First parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. Now in this expression, 8 divided by 4 parentheses 8 divided by 4. According to the PEMDAS, we must solve this parentheses first. Now 8 divided by 4 is equals to 2. And now let's rewrite the expression. 8 divided by 4. We have one multiplication here and 2. As we know, division and multiplication are equally important, and we have to solve this expression from left to right. Now 8 divided by 4 is equals to 2, and divided by 2 is equals to 4. The final answer is 4. Thank you for watching.